Our journey at Vapari Farms began with a simple love for gardening. What started as a weekend hobby in our backyard soon blossomed into a passion that consumed more of our time, energy, and yes, our finances. As our garden grew, so did our expenses: quality soil, organic fertilizers, and of course, a wide variety of seeds. As our garden flourished, we found ourselves with an abundance of plants producing more seeds than we could possibly use. While collecting seeds for next year's garden, we had a moment of inspiration. Looking at the bountiful harvest of seeds spread out before us, we wondered, why not share these extra seeds with others? We knew the quality of these seeds intimately. We had nurtured the parent plants from seedling to maturity, tending them with organic practices and care. These weren't just any seeds. They were a testament to our gardening philosophy and the result of our hands-on experience. The idea of selling these extra seeds started to take root. We realized that by sharing our seeds, we could offer others the chance to grow the same healthy, vibrant plants we enjoyed. Plus, it would be a way to connect with fellow gardening enthusiasts and spread our passion for organic, homegrown produce. We started small, offering excess seeds from our favorite plants to friends and neighbors. We decided to take the leap and turn our hobby into a small business. Vapari Farms Seed Company was born with a mission to share our gardening passion with a wider community, offer high-quality, organic seeds that we've tested in our own backyard, help offset the costs of our ever-expanding garden, educate others about the joys and benefits of growing their own food. As our business grew, we realized we were cultivating something far more valuable than just a supplementary income. We were growing a community, nurturing a sustainable lifestyle, and planting the seeds of change in our local food system. Here's why we believe our seed business is making a difference: sharing our gardening passion. We're spreading the joy and satisfaction of growing your own food. Our mission is to inspire others to create their own sustainable gardens. We're building a community of plant enthusiasts and budding gardeners, meeting the growing demand for sustainable food. We provide high-quality, organic seeds for those seeking fresh, healthy produce. Our seeds empower people to take control of their food supply. We support the movement towards more sustainable and environmentally friendly practices, making our hobby financially sustainable. The revenue from our seed business helps offset the costs of our gardening passion. By selling seeds, we've turned our favorite hobby into a break-even venture. This allows us to continually expand our garden and experiment with new varieties. Educational opportunities for our children. Running a seed business provides hands-on learning experiences for our kids. They're involved in the entire process, from planting to packaging. This teaches them valuable lessons about biology, business, and sustainability, promoting health and wellness. We believe in the health benefits of gardening, both physical and mental. Our seeds encourage people to spend more time outdoors and stay active. Growing your own food ensures access to fresh, nutritious produce right at home. At Vapari Farms, we're not just selling seeds, we're sowing the seeds of a healthier, more sustainable future. Our business allows us to share our passion, support our hobby, educate our children, and contribute to the well-being of our community. Join us in this green revolution, one seed at a time.